Happy that
No, we didn't get any beer. That's why.
yeah. It's like I heard my friends back east got some beer.
Yeah.
You know, today was a great day to be outdoors. Just gorgeous. Kind of on the warm and humid side, but you know, folks for Memorial Day weekend want that.
That's right.
Especially if you're going to be in the lake. So lake temperature out of Travis at 77. So that's still pretty warm. Now we got a beautiful looking picture for you. Looking north downtown towards the Capitol and the UT Tower this evening. And the skies have cleared a little bit as far as the humidity goes. We have a few clouds out there as well. Humidity levels were very high this morning as we had dew point numbers in the low 70s. We're now dropping back to about 66. That's manageable. I wouldn't say it's comfortable, but more manageable. 90 is our current air temperature outside. I'll show you what that humidity does in just a second. You notice most of the air temperatures this evening are in the upper 80s to low 90s, as cool as 84 in Fredericksburg, which is still pretty warm, 87 in Blanco, 88 in Lockhart, and we're at 90. Okay. So we take that humidity, dew point numbers in the mid-60s, factor those into the air temperatures. It makes the feels like number right now at 94. So during the afternoon hours, you could see those feels like numbers topping off 96 to 97 again tomorrow afternoon. So the bottom line is if you're going to be out and about, you just want to take extra caution because as these numbers climb closer to 100, kind of puts a little bit of a toll on your body in the afternoon hours as far as cooling itself off. So if you give yourself frequent breaks and lots of fluids, you should be A-OK. Now for our friends out in West Texas, far west Texas that is, severe thunderstorm watch this evening as we got some thunderstorms. This is remnant cloud cover and moisture from a hurricane that was in the Pacific that completely fell apart. We saw some of those morning clouds from Bud move through our area, and now we've got mainly sunny skies this evening, although I do expect to see those low clouds redeveloping later on this evening. Now go back to the other ocean in the Atlantic. We have subtropical storm Beryl, which is continuing to slowly move towards the Florida coast, starting to look a little bit more like a tropical storm this evening. Still got a little bit of thunderstorm activity far away from the center, but it's closing in. I do think as this thing does get closer towards the Florida coast, it will become an official tropical storm. It's got winds right now at 45 miles an hour. It is drifting to the southwest at about 6. So on this track, it's going to take it into Florida, and it's going to change its mind as it weakens a little bit and then steer itself back into the Atlantic. The main reason we're going to have a couple of upper level systems swinging through, and that should eventually by Tuesday start to push the system back into the Atlantic. But very interesting. Before hurricane season officially begins in the Atlantic, we'll already have 2 named storms. So it's, even though the forecast is for a less active season possibly, so far it's getting a pretty quick start. So back at home though this evening, we're going to see just a few scattered clouds, a light south to southeast breeze throughout the night. That'll build in that low cloud deck during the overnight hours. And then we'll see most of those clouds thin out during the afternoon hours tomorrow. That will give way to another very warm day. And as those winds pick up out of the south on Monday, that may get temperatures a degree or 2 warmer for Memorial Day. So tonight expecting 74 for the overnight low. That is about 5 degrees above normal. We'll see south to southeast winds at 5 to 10. They will pick up tomorrow afternoon. And really tomorrow's going to be a carbon copy of today and yesterday's. We'll see a high temperature of 92. Again, I should put a little star next to that because of the heat index values. Those feels like numbers 96 to 97 tomorrow afternoon. And the same thing again for Memorial Day on Monday. We'll see high temperatures pushing to 94 for Tuesday and Wednesday. But before the month of May is over, we are going to have a cool front move through late Thursday, bringing us our best chance of rain, only a 20% chance, and then drier and more seasonal for Friday and Saturday.